Hi, this is Spencer. I'm going to show you how to remove a link from your watch to get the perfect fit. Let's get started. To remove a link from your watch, I recommend using a small tool like this. I purchased this for about $5. It's relatively inexpensive. If you expand the description below this video, I'll include a link to this exact item. Now you can do the same thing with a really small screwdriver or anything with a tip about this size. But this saved me a lot of time, so let me show you how I used it. On the inside of your watch band, you'll notice there are some arrows. On this one, on the right, you can see they're pointing up. On the left, you can see they're pointing down. This shows you the direction to remove the pin that's holding each of the links together. Now you can see on this watch I've already removed one pin. That's simply to open the watch to make it easier for you to see the arrows while on video. Now that you know the direction to remove the pins from the watch band, take your tool and slightly increase the height of the base. So you want the height of this pin to align with the height of the pins being removed from the watch band. Now that you have the correct height, lay the watch band across the tool and insert the pin into the watch band to begin slowly pushing the pin out of the watch in the direction of the arrows. I'll rotate just so you can see this a little easier. And as I begin to twist, it's pushing the pin out of the watch band, allowing me to remove the links. I'll go ahead and unscrew it and lift up the watch band to show you the pin is sticking out the top. You can remove that with your fingers and open the watch. Now you can go ahead and remove as many links as you need to get the right size. Once you've removed the correct amount of links, connect the remaining links back up. Take the same pin that you just removed, insert back into the watch band, and push it down. Now you can get pretty close with your fingers, but for me the last couple are a little tight, so I'll take a small hammer and tap lightly so not to damage the watch, just to get it inserted all the way. And there you go, the exact size you need. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.